Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Good job, Andrew. So who wants to go first? Which team wants to go first?
Well, I want to know because we had some relative visitors to the intermediate / advanced group today. So I would be curious what some of them feel this first time they came to visit us, or at least first time in a long time. So I'd like to hear what some of them have to say.
I like it. So first timer, go ahead.
For me, it was the first time joining the advanced group. I was always with the basics, where I felt relatively safe. And now I do understand why the advanced are called the advanced. Nevertheless, I'm going to try joining them again.
So it's not safe over there. That's what you're saying, right? It's very dangerous.
I'm terrified now, Rick.
They're lions.
It's like, Rick, go to the dark side. They have cookies, but they also have scary things. So.
Okay, got you.
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
And we'll bring muffins.
But sometimes I always get worried that we're in the basics and we're going really into advanced topics too.
Yeah, you are. That's right, because you send over spies, Joe. I know it. That's okay. It's okay.
All right. Yeah. So again, anybody from the advanced group, advanced intermediate that wants to share. What was your biggest learning today?
Don't be shy. I see a few of you out there.
Yeah.
All right, so that sums it up.
Yeah, wow. Maru left them speechless.
Yep.
Well, we kind of went through something that blows your mind, and just like it normally does. So for somebody like me that had taken NLP, I don't always want to be in a class where NLP has been spoken about because it's too deep. It kind of sends you into a trance sometimes. I used to tell the lady that took us NLP that she has some magical words because she could be talking to you and she tell you to close your eyes and I will be snoring. So just that's the kind of effect she has in you. So Maru came in, went through NLP and systematic coaching and kind of put them all together, and we're all jazzed. And right now, that's why we can talk.
Wow. So
it was powerful. And
Maru has promised. They're still processing.
Yes, we're still processing.
We learned to appreciate the silence too today.
Yes,
so.
and we also learned that the system is more than the system. We learned that there's too many dimensions to coaching. Sometimes we just coach people without knowing what their culture is, without knowing what their background is, without knowing what their socioeconomic is sometimes. We're just there to solve a problem, but there is more to it. The system is in there, but we always forget why we're doing that.
Awesome.
So is it ready for a Wednesday session?
We're ready. Yes, sir.
You ready?
Okay.
All right.
Yes,
so
sir.
Let's go. Let's put them in. Pick a date. All right. Beginner team, beginner intermediate, however you want to call it. How did it go? Share.
So what do you guys think? We had a couple good topics today. What did you learn?
Yeah, I would probably also offer silence because it was as impactful as the coaching sessions you guys had in the.
Oh, we lost her.
Oh, we lost. Where'd she go?
Mic drop.
He had me hanging on the end of my chair. I'm like,
I know. I was so ready to see what she was.
Awesome.
What did she gonna say?
Talking too.
yeah, man, that was just not right, man.
This is being recorded, just so we know. All right, awesome. Okay, anybody else that has a strong internet connection?
We can do a stable one. That works too.
Amos, what was your thoughts? Quasi, Greg?
My thought, the beginner session was awesome. So it was so interesting, learning new things and, meeting a great mind and interacting with people. So I really enjoy it. Thank you so much, everyone.
Did he say great mind? Is that what he said? He went
that scares me.
Yes.
That's up there, guys. All right.